Hi, Assalamualaikum to Dr. Nurhaiza binti Nordin and the fellow friends. My name is Muhammad HARRYSHAM bin ARIFUDIN. My matrix number is A22A0226. Today I would like to present about the case study Microeconomics question 2. First of all, let me introduce my group members. Firstly, Muhammad ADIQA IQRAM bin Muhammad HANIF, A22A0511. Nur FAKHIRA binti ASRI, A22A0240. Nur FARAH SYAHIRAH binti ZAMRI, A22A0431. Nur FASIHAH NABILAH binti JAMALUDIN, A22A0831. Nur HAMIZAH DAYANA binti IBRAHIM, A22A0767. Nur ELLYSA SURAYA binti Muhammad Nur, A22A0577. And the last one is Nur Aisyah binti MAHMMAD Nur, A22A0596. Our group like to discuss and present about demand and supply of mask and hand sanitizer at Pharmacy Ehsan. This is a question 2 in study case Microeconomics. This is also question number 2 in the case study. As you can see, this is the table demand and supply of mask and hand sanitizer at Pharmacy Ehsan in question number 2 in the case study.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hamizah Dayana binti Ibrahim, matric number A22A0767. I will explain about question A, which is calculate price elasticity of demand when price increase from RM1 to RM3 and indicate whether the demand is elastic or inelastic for the following goods. I will explain how to calculate for mass. P0 equal RM1, P1 RM3, quantity 0 500, quantity 1 115. I use formula ED equal percentage change in quantity demand divide percentage change in price. Q1 subtract Q0 divide Q0 multiply 100 divide P1 subtract P0 divide P0 multiply 100. 115 subtract 500 divide 500 multiply 100 divide 3 subtract 1 divide 1 multiply 100. Negative 0 percentage divide 200 percentage. The answer is negative 0.35. The demand for mass is inelastic because the value of the elasticity is less than 1.
For hand sanitizer calculation, we use the same formula as A1. For P0 is 4 ringgit and P1 is 3 ringgit. For quantity, Q0 is 250 units and for Q1 is 50. For calculation is 50 minus 250 divided by 250 times 100 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 times 100. We will get the answer is negative 80% divided by 200%, and we will get negative 0.4. The demand for the hand sanitizer is inelastic because the value of the elasticity is less than 1.
Calculate price elasticity of supply the mask when price decrease from 2 ringgit and 50 cent to 1 ringgit and 50 cent and indicate whether the supply is elastic or inelastic for the following good. At the price 2 ringgit and 50 cent, the quantity is 300 and at the price 1 ringgit and 50 cent, the quantity is 150. So the answer is 1.25. The supply for mass is elastic because the value is more than 1. This is calculation method mean point. The answer is 1.34. The supply for mass is elastic because the value is more than 1.
The next question is calculate price elasticity of supply the hand sanitizer when price decrease from RM2.50 to RM1.50 and indicate whether the supply is elastic or inelastic for the following goods. The first price is RM2.50 with the quantity 60. And the second price is RM1.50 with the quantity 120. And the answer is negative 2.5. So the supply for hand sanitizer is inelastic because the value of the elasticity is less than 1. So this is the method by point. So the answer is negative 1.32. The supply for hand sanitizer is inelastic because the value of the elasticity is less than 1.
Calculate gross price elasticity of demand when price of hand sanitizer decrease from RM1 to RM3 and indicate type of elasticity for that goods. At the price of RM1, the quantity of hand sanitizer is 250. At the price of RM3, the quantity of hand sanitizer is 50. The formula I use is the percentage change in quantity demand divided by the percentage change in the price of other goods. This is calculation part of question. The answer is negative 0.4 because hand sanitizer is a negative cross elasticity of demand and hand sanitizer is a complement item to the mask.
Question D. Two factors would affect the elasticity of demand. The first factor is time horizon. Demand for goods tends to be more elastic over a longer time horizon. For example, due to COVID, people are buying more stocks of face masks and hand sanitizer and causing higher demand.
The second factors will affect the elasticity of demand is proportion of income. When a consumer spends a lot of money on a product, demand tends to be more price elastic. For example, the community will spend part of their income to buy face masks and hand sanitizer for their own good to avoid contracting diseases and other bad things that happen in this COVID season.
And that's all from our group. Thank you.